Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I've got the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. It's brand new, alright. So this is a phone gimbal. And this is the cheaper version because the mobile 6, alright, I think it's 6. It's almost similar to the SE version, except like it has a tripod stand, which this doesn't have. I mean, it's extendable on the mobile 6, but this does not. And some other small functions which are not available on the SE, I think. Alright. Let's unbox this. Right, how do I open? Just unseal the wrap first. Over here, there's a seal. Let's peel it off. Alright, we're done. And open it. Okay. So it opens like this. Right, there's also like the guide here for you to scan how to kind of set up or use the app and how to fix it on your device. So there should be manuals inside. Let me see. Firstly, we have like not sure about this, for anti-slip pads, right? The kind of like manuals, alright. I think it's warranty. And this is a quick start guide, safety guidelines. This is in Chinese, so it's like the Light Cut app. It teaches you how to edit the video, right, using the app. And lastly, we've got a pouch here, which has the Osmo word. It looks great and feels nice, alright. And here we are, the device here. This is the stand. DJI, right. We've got the C to USB-A cable, right, and this is the clip. And the main device itself. Alright, first experience here. It's actually quite a bit of weight, I would say, but it's okay. Alright. And let's see, I'm not sure how to use this first, but as it's my first time using this device, right? Okay guys, so that's it for the quick unboxing, alright, on the Mobile SE, and I will get you back guys in another video about this gimbal or some visuals example, right? So stay tuned to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.